They're still waiting. Don't even care. Oh, they're waiting for us. Uite-te. Jello acolo.
Decided to make breakfast at 7:30. I have beef with you.
Jello, yeah, we have beef with you.
I just want to call Gabriel, Andra, and
Gabriel.
I can't.
Look at this. Guys, we gotta go. Oh my goodness, Esty, look at this. Look at the kids. Look at this. Please don't cry again. Please don't faint again. I said that. My crying was equivalent to you fainting. No, it's not. Except I didn't like.
I literally almost seized.
Crystal thought you died.
Good morning. How are you?
This is breakfast time. Breakfast. Or as Melody says it. Go ahead. Breakfast. Oh, thank you. Okay, we have. It's good.
Good?
Yeah. We have bread with pateo and cucumbers and tomatoes and then meat and then cheese and then olives. I'm not gonna eat those olives. No. Oh, yeah, you could have mine.
Can't record me. You look bald.
Really?
You can do this one. Where is the song? There's a 5-point start.
Go team! No!
It looks like a cheer team.
Oh. Bro.
That's what they're doing. Why? They're like, why are you going? Andrew, you know how
Oh, I know how.
Oh.
We need to cut out a star first, and then just fold it in half.
I'll need a bigger one. Get that camera on my face.
Whoa.
Get that camera on my face.
Camera out of my face. Where is that from? Oh, get that corn out of my face.
Get that corn out of my face.
This is ours now.
These are the Lord's chips.
I have not had diarrhea since Easter.
Hey, did you get
Same with Nathan, bro. Today. Doodly.
You have to cheer când îl omoară pe Goliat.
Oh, yeah.
Anyone? Where's that for?
I know.
You want that?
Have that much. That's poop. That's not.
Double kill.
You would have been able to smell it.
That's poop.
It is. They just kick it.
It's cold, bro. It's like
Yeah, dude, it's
Triple kill.
1, 2, warm inside the middle, bro. Like if it's cold at night.
Overkill.
Hi.
Come si chiama? Che io non so.
Nathan. Cine mai mare? Cine mai mare? Cine mai mare?
Dai, Mona. Wait, da, Maya.
No, we here. We up. Oh, we're good.
Bine, Vasilica.
Da, așa.
Rapid, Alessia, nu! Come on, you have to wait for...
Trebuie să aștept să bage picioarele, așa.
Da.
Oh.
Frate, pe nume Alex.
Da? Foarte bine.
Care? Oh, good. Care e asta? Da. E el iubitul tău? No. Ai, Cristian!
So much.
Foarte bine. Foarte bine. Hai, Ciprian. Hai, ce faci? Oh. Ciprian.
Eu mai formez.
Un lucru care cerem și cerem respect de la voi. Dacă noi putem să vă respectăm pe voi și voi trebuie să respectați pe toți care sunt aici. Alessia, vă rog frumos să ascultați. Cine nu o să asculte și nu vrea să se joace cu noi, o să plece acasă.
O fetiță din Biblie. O să vedeți. Hai să vedem dacă știți povestea, da? Dar să faceți liniște, da?
S-a întâmplat. El este viteaz, dar acum are o boală de piele care nu poate fi vindecată.
Vai! Cum așa? Pe piele?
Pe piele.
Stai, că trebuie apă după asta.
Verset. Să stai acolo, da. Da, verset.
Nu știu nici.
Da, nu știi? Verset? Știi ceva verset? Nu? Știi?
We're slaving away building a house.
I know. Okay, hai, la poză!
Like, like, come on.
Opa, ce iubri! Alex!
Da. Da. Oh, it's getting a little toasty in here. It's very toasty. My shirt is up with my burta out and everything. But you know, I've got my shirt on like this. I'm going to a different sat right now. We just finished VBS. Well, we didn't just finish. We finished a while ago VBS with the kids, and then now we're gonna do VBS again with the other kids from the sub.
Amin! Roxanne just said I can have it. Yes, you did. Roxanne just said this.
Bro, don't put it on my butt.
He likes boys. You don't know the song?
You should do this.
I don't know the song.
Foarte bine.
Domnul să binecuvânteze.
Two cute puppies. I pick it up like this, like a baby. I look under, bro, whole nest of fleas. She's gonna die.
I'm gonna die.
Look at that neck. Look at that neck.
Bug bite.
Look how swollen she is. Look how swollen she is. Dude, she's swollen too.
I'm not.
Timmy's bing chilling, bro.
Big chilies.
It was hot, bro. You recording?
Yeah.
Bro, it's so hot here. You know, we doing something good. Bro, don't point to the dogs.
Nike's gay.
But don't do that.
How do you feel about the temperature?
It's nice. It's a little too hot. It's a little too
You
hot.
talking about nice? I'm out here sweating.
It's a little humid.
Humid. They're all fighting like a death match for the fan.
Exactly. You talking about humid? Give me 30.
Look at her. She's dead.
What even is that?
That was crazy. Look how fun everyone is. Look how much fun everyone's having. Look at this. Everyone's having the time of their life. Look at them run off.
I think I'll be one of the dancers at VBS.
We're about to go crazy in soccer though.
Caleb.
Tonight we're gonna play on the. You see that field?
Oh yeah.
Roxanne, can I be a dancer at VBS?
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying.
If you want.
I was like,
How do you feel about the temperature today?
I feel like I'm about to get tan. I mean, I'm not trying to flex
Dang!
anything, but you're like still doing it. She's trying to flex.
How do you feel about the temperature?
Zoom in on my muscles though.
Okay, hold on.
Oh my gosh. You see there's a little bit going on. Wait, stay.
Yeah.
Keep it at the top, keep it at the top.
No, you have to do it from behind. Like, no, you have to like flip. It's like this. It's like this. Hold on.
Bă, ce a făcut, mă? Bă, vaca o să mănâncă mingea.
Ce-i numele tău?
Dragoș.
Dragoș? Eu sunt Alex.
Cine aici?
Și ce-i numele tău?
Alex.
Alex? Eu sunt Alex.
Știu.
Știi?
V-am văzut la tabără.
Cine e cel mai bun la fotbal?
Haideți, eu sunt Dragoș.
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 Ce-i numele tău?
Mariu.
Mariu? Eu sunt Alex.
Ți-am făcut.
Give me some, give me some.
Păi gata.
Dragoș, uite așa e salatul noastră, uitați.
Cine are minge de fotbal? Bă, Dragoș, du-te, bă!
Du-te, ia mingea!
Du, ia mingea, tu ești cel mai bun. Aici! Bă, ce... Oh, hey, no.
Not on me from there anymore. No.
Guys, I don't know about you, but I think it's the best food we have so far. Oh yeah, I agree.
Look at this bunny, man. You see how soft?
Squishy, oh. Oh, hey! butterflies in her butt.
Bro, my life.
Look, I don't know where that came from. That's gold.
Hold on, let me go down a little. Let me pretend like it's like up to my neck.
Ok, du-te de aici, du-te, că Nathan are treaba aici.
Nathan, bro, like I said before, let's do it. And it's yellow in your mouth. It's bloody.
Ciprian, du-te de aici, cu vomite.
Vrei ajutor?
Vrei ajutor?
You're actually kind of need to move a little bit.
Alo! Petru! Ce faci? Acum am venit la școală. Okay, vomits count. Johnny threw up 3 times, Nathan 3 times, Melody 1 time, Stefan 1 time.
Roxanne, I'm trying to make a verse right now. Can you please pause the vlog?
And now we're going to teach these kids some verses. Alo! Julia, Petru, Delia, Alexia, Maya. Și cum te cheamă?
Alicia.
Alicia? Oh, și pe tine, da? Alicia. Alicia, da? Și pe tine, cum te cheamă? Simona. Și pe tine?
Antonia.
Antonia. Oh, da. Amintești. Și Delia aici. Ok, hai să facem versetul. Hai să facem versetul. Cine amintește? Nu, asta. Este.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Melody.
Are you sure?
Așa!
Pe atâni. Zi așa, B.
B.
B. Așa! Perfect!
Și Joel, da?
Nathan.
Nu, ai scris,
Nathan.
Hârtiile astea și să le aruncați la gunoi.
Nu avem papere. Da.
Roxana a făcut.
A dat pierșină, dar și este a făcut.
Oh, da, este a făcut vecină. Părți.
Did you guys get the folders? Does your tummy hurt? Does your tummy hurt? This is our car, by the way. I think. So don't throw up in it. I switched up on you, but like, there's no shells.
Did you get a view?
I'm not good enough to get started.
This is my brother. He goes up all the time. Oh, Sadafu. But he has Gatorade.
What's up, guys?
Huh?
That's the 2 girls' bag.
Yeah, I know. We're bringing them to her house. Dude, she told us to bring it to her house.
Bro, not Nathan literally throwing up 2 seconds ago, or almost throwing up, and now he's carrying a bag for this lady. Da?
I'm scared the bag is gonna break.
Yeah, I'm scared that you're gonna just faint on the floor.
Yeah, no, why does she have 2 bags?
Because one of them is for the other girl. She said to bring it to the same because she has to go to Squala.
Squala.
You think if I farted right now, she would hear it?
Try it.
Wait, that dude's looking at me. $100. American money?
What?
Oh my god.
It's like a chocolate shell. Spray on.
Da. You still play Maya?
No.
You still play Maya? Maya is there.
He said face the night too, and then he gave it.
It's because I accidentally hit him, and this gets
¿Ves?
I'll literally eat you, PC. What's a monk bettina?
Am greșit, cred.
Monk.
Ai, ok.
Doare?
Nu.
Nu mai filmai, fata mea.
Hai, rapid.
Cadou. Ăla ce fuieze. Merge la fotbal. Vine Alesia.
Ce?
Nu ai.
Ai. Ai prins un șarpe acolo? Și de ce fugim acum?
Ca să nu vină Ales. Da, aici. Hai să faci? Asta fratele meu. Haide.
Da?
Îmi pare rău pentru voi.
Da, și eu.
O să veniți eu?
O să venim înapoi. Da, Cristian, tare! Oh!
Hai! Andrei! Bastian, așa!
Aici!
Ce frumoasă ești. Să spui ceva. Ce vrei? Ce vrei să spui? Orice.
Te iubesc.
Oh, te iubesc? Oh, te iubesc pe tine.
Nu, nu, nu. Nu, e nici la nașă.
Ninja.
Haide, nu lasă! Nu lasă! Lasă-mă de piept!
Okay, what happened?
Uite acum ceva.
He's cold. Okay, Melody threw up, Esty was about to throw up, and Bethany, I thought she was throwing up, but she wasn't throwing up because she just swallowed a bug and she needed to gag it out.
He's still alive.
Guys, it's faster.
Boy!